Hey y'all, it's me, Say Kevvie. I'm here with my good friend Ian. Y'all may recognize him from the finale of Camp Wannakiki.
Well, today you're going to earn your Crafty Beaver badge by making your very own papier-mâché mask. Well, look at you two. You're in your Camp Wannakiki camp uniforms. You look great. You feel great, don't you?
So today we're gonna give him a little makeover. So before we begin, I need you to pick a color, any color.
Blue's nice. I like blue, right?
Okay, cool. So first thing we're gonna do is prime his face using some Lush Magical Moringa Primer. And we are broke as fuck, so we got a sample. So you take a shit ton of it, rub it up, and all over the face. Does it feel significantly moistened?
Yes, it does.
Cool.
Indeed.
We're gonna start by going in with my very used Clown White. You gotta do that thing that like the beauty YouTubers do. So I just take a bunch on my blender and ready.
Yeah.
Boop. Smear it, beat it all over. And then once you got that everywhere, you just blend it in. Blendy, 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 blendy. Blendy, blendy, blendy. Blendy, 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 blendy. I'm not doing it too hard, am I?
No, it's fine.
Kevvie's a low-key dom. Specifically a fin-dom, so Vimo her. Give her all your money. Give her all your money. Money. PayPal. It's a little messaging. Trying to get my girl some bones.
And all over his neck here. So now we're gonna take some of our blue, the dark blue from the iMagic palette. It's basically the same as the Makeup Forever palette, but like $100 cheaper. So yeah, get this version. Don't waste your money. Normally you'd want a larger brush, but this is the only cream brush I have, so so you take this and
Venmo. PayPal.
yes, all them words. And now we're gonna take our blue and contour. Are you ready?
Oh yeah, go for it.
It's okay if it's not even and smooth and shit right now, because we're gonna just blend everything in a few minutes.
Hey, didn't that bitch on Drag Race try to do this look last week?
Yeah, while it can still be messy, it does need to be even, so be mindful of that. A lot of queens will contour their entire jawline. For me, that's a bit excessive, and it doesn't look good on everybody, especially like on queens like me that have a much rounder face. So I prefer to just contour my chin, and I'm trying to decide which version to do on you. And then I don't normally, for my nose contour, I never really do it in the cream stage because it just gets murky and messy and bad looking. So I just keep it white for now and go in with the color in powder. So now that we got blue on your face, it's time to blend again.
Guide, but you ain't gotta eat berries. Rations are supplied by friends and Hamburger Marys. Hamburger Marys. Now you may encounter wildlife, but don't run away, cause here we ain't afraid of bears. Girl, you may even be one by day. Camp Wannakiki. Camp Wannakiki. Camp Wannakiki. Camp Wannakiki. Camp Wannakiki. You can start a fire, you can pitch a tent, you can stop right there, call a time well spent. If you can't be bothered with a rigmarole, you're gonna wanna learn to work that Dumbo. If you slay the challenge or you pull the pad, you can rest assured you're gonna get a badge. But if you take a hike, honey, you're sad. Nature's not so bad.
Now, just to finish this off, I gotta blend out up on the top end of the loop here. And this can be messy because it'll be covered as I go in. Now that we've got all the cream down where we want it, it's time to set it with powder. I use Vanerea Super White. Ready? Okay, face
Close
and
your eyes.
closed. And also, I'll warn you when not to breathe. Oh, Dionne Warwick. She should do that Masked Singer show.
You're like Opulence.
Opulence! You go everywhere.
I love how much that's become a meme.
I know. Warning, there will be a little bit of fallout on your shirt and your pants and everywhere. So normally what I do at this point on my face is I will just take my hands and literally rub my face to make sure everything feels powdered. Because like, if it's powdered, the cream will not move. And like, there's a clear difference in feel. So just go ahead and feel around your face and make sure I didn't miss anywhere. Yeah, literally just. Does everything feel like it has powder on it?
Yeah, so far so good. My ears too, right?
Yep. Everything feels sufficiently powdered down?
Yeah.
Alright.
My hands are white now too.
Good. So now, we dust it off.
Oh, so you like splash on and then you dust off?
Make it less of that. Stop clenching so tight.
Imagine what a bubble is. Dominatrix, Venmo, PayPal, Facebook Messenger.
Now that everything's powdered down, I'm gonna go in and do some powder contouring. Using the electric palette, this blue. Right? The electric palette? It's discontinued though. Because it's dangerous for use on your face.
Oh yeah, that red one's highly toxic.
Yeah. Oh, for this, I need to switch to a daintier brush. Now that we're done powdering in all the contour we already have on, we can go ahead and do your nose.
Venmo, PayPal.
We're gonna go right into the crease and start drawing a crease on your face. So now we're gonna exaggerate the crease with some black, some Sugarpill. Ariana Grande. I was fucking ready! I was motherfucking ready! I was ready to do so! Now we're gonna blend out the crease with Juvia's Place Zulu palette.
Gift cards, gift cards. Flash gift cards. Lisa gift cards.
We're gonna take some of this color for your under eye. Do better? More better? Look up and don't do the thing you like to do. You're doing the thing. We're gonna use a little NYX liquid lip as your eyeshadow color. So keep eyes closed. Yes, closed but not squinty. I'm not going to put any of the liquid lip on your inner corner because I want to reinforce that with white powder to give it an extra pop. I'm going to reinforce the orange using my Juvia's Place Zulu palette. See, this orange is going to go right in over it. We are almost done. Are you feeling it?
Ooh,
How's your face feel for never wearing like makeup?
not bad. It feels normal.
Very natural. Now I'm gonna go back in with that super white on the inner corners.
Midnight gift cards.
I don't trust you enough to put liner on,
Yeah.
so we're not gonna bother. Let's look at this palette somebody brought with today.
CH Cosmetics, very affordable line.
Yes. Use which one will I use as a blush? Which one do you think? I'm thinking. Yes, this was the right color.
Oh yeah, that was.
Oh, it's pretty. You're so pretty. How'd you get so pretty? This Kevvie go face.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, let's add a little bit of here.
You wanna whittle yourself a souvenir? Try arts and crafts. Instead of doing it for your mama, you better do it for laughs.
So I think all we have left at this point is some lips.
And if you can't see what's been happening, you better turn on a lamp. And if you can't hear while you're cabining, you better amp up your cam.
Getting some
Please don't
DSLs
move your
up in
lips.
there.
Just keep them relaxed. You're not relaxing, you're tensing up.
Get our 50s at our next show. Money through Facebook.
I'm gonna draw your lip down to here.
Don't you be afraid of working these woods. Trees are made for throwing shades if you've got the goods.
Okay, so to make sure your makeup doesn't go anywhere, we gotta set it
Muy importante.
with some hairspray.
Set it
Close your
right.
eyes. Oh, and don't breathe.
I don't like you saying that as soon as she opens her mouth.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, now fan it.
Woo, that's like a cold breeze.
There, and now your makeup will not move
That's good. That was good.
until we want it to.
Ah.
Okay, now go get dressed.
Where the hell did you put
So here we go. Tell me, how do you feel, Vanerea?
Pretty good. Pretty different. You know, it's fun. I still haven't seen myself, but I'm cool with that. You know.
Oh, should we show you?
I think, you know, I might be freaked out here.
Are you ready?
I really don't know if I'm ready for this.
Okay.
This could be freaky.
3, 2, 1.
Okay. That's epic.
Okay, you can hold it and move it around.
Oh, I'm good with that.
What's your drag name?
Damn. I don't recognize me.
Right?
It's crazy. That is really epic though.
So now how do you feel? How does it feel to look at yourself like this?
It's a new identity. It's kind of different. But I think it could be interesting.
Yeah?
Yeah, I don't know.
Yes. What would you name this identity?
Venerea disease. I don't know.
Yes.
Something along those lines.
Next up to the stage, I have a Vanerea Disease.
I need smoke machines and shit. Really. I feel like a green, like weed-oriented vampire, like from the Ed Wood movies.
All right. So
Drugs are bad, okay?
thanks for letting me dress you up, Ms. Vanerea Disease. I look forward to seeing more of you
Yeah.
at an upcoming show at Hamburger Mary's or The Call or wherever.
That could be fun.
Yes. All right. Thank you all so much for watching. And if it pleases and sparkles, I'll see you in the next one.
Oh, hell
Mwah.
Where's that from?
South Park.
Oh, I knew it was. I was like, I didn't know if it was something else before that.